Let's go to Gong Fu Hot Pot located at Makati City. While waiting, pwede ka na pumili kung ano yung unang isuserve sa'yo. They have a wide selection of meat, balls, veggies, and mushroom. Pinili namin yung original soup and special sauce, and for me, perfect yung lasa niya. Punta kami dito ng Friday night kaya medyo maraming tao, and it took us around 15 to 20 minutes waiting time. You also have an option to avail an only grilled, and take note na only drinks and only ice cream rin sila. They are open from 9 a.m. to 2 a.m. daily. Masarap yung broth nila and bagay yung special sauce sa meat and mushrooms. Sa hotpot pa lang, sulit na and mabubusog ka na talaga. Di naman obvious na mahilig ako sa mushrooms, diba? Ayan pa, may free steam facial ka na rin dito. Para sa dessert, pumunta na ako sa ice cream section at ang una kong pinili itong melon flavor na kalasa ng melona. Bumalik pa ako para sa second and third ice cream na strawberry and pearl milk tea. For sure, babalik ako dito sa Gong Fu Hot Pot. Maraming choices, masarap, at syempre only drinks and ice cream pa. Kaya kung mahilig ka sa hot pot, this place is a must try.